This is an invitation to all of you to join us in the Advanced Negotiation Program. For the past 3 decades, thousands of companies, small, medium, large, multinationals, have benefited from this program. The program has context of negotiating contracts, negotiating business alliances, negotiating joint ventures, negotiating acquisitions and mergers. And the format primarily is very interactive and based on cases which will then allow you to analyze, interpret, and develop your own insights which might be relevant to your own specific context. These are days and times when everything is happening in the virtual world. So how does one manage negotiations when the conversations are happening virtually is a context that we will explore in the program, and we will understand what are the nuances, what are the differences when you actually engage in a virtual negotiation instead of a face-to-face negotiation. So starting from the planning framework down to how do you manage the process of negotiation and how do you follow up to ensure that what has been negotiated is indeed being delivered in terms of outcomes is the focus of the program. We look forward to having all of you join us in this exciting endeavor.